Hello, I'm here with Slick. I'm in the construction area, so it's loud. And this is my painter, Slick. Say hello, Slick. Hi. And I'm gonna show you, it's loud over there. And we are doing some vinyl for planking. Say hi, Brian.
How we doing?
Hello, guys. So he's cutting this vinyl floor planking with me, and they're doing the hardwood floors as well. And Brian will show us the way where he's doing the vinyl floor planking. So we'll follow Brian. And what I can share with you today, I was in my other unit that we are doing work, and problem always comes up, unexpected problems. Just in life, there are things that we know and things that we do not know, and majority of the times there's a lot of things that we do not know that we do not know. And it's always good to study, learn from my mistake and from other people's mistake. So Brian here is putting on the last strip, small strip, to the floor. So this is what we've been doing. This used to be carpet, and we ripped out the carpet, and this is a finished basement. So we rip out the carpet and we put this luxury vinyl floor planking, so now it looks better. And why I want a luxury vinyl floor planking compared to just a regular vinyl, compared to carpet, although they cost more, but they look much more better, and then they can withstand water issues. And then if there's any problem, you just want to make sure that you have extra vinyl floor plank, and you can replace just a piece of it that's either broken or that's been torn. So that's why I love luxury vinyl floor plank, because it's easy to replace. So this is another room and another room. So these are just some of the things that I'm doing here in some of my properties, and I'm gonna go exit. Oh, so Brian is done. So I do, as a landlord, pay attention to the granular details of things, especially when you are doing a lot of work. There are problems that comes up, and at times you do not know the problem, and you just try to do what's best based on your previous experience, based on your contractor's experience, and then go from there. So what I do, if there's problems I've had over the past few days, is to try to take deep breaths, cool off, and then solve the problem with a clear mind, with a better mind. And then we're almost done with our problem. All right, stay tuned for more.